oleme siis parklas, aga mitte kõige tavalisemas parklas. Unibet Arena taga olevas parklas siis toimub Red Bull Car Park Drift üritus. Meie muidugi tulime täna pühapäevaks kohale. Täna on siis top 20 võitlevad siis võidu peale ehk siis finaalid. Eile olid kvalifikatsioonid, kokku oli 40 osalejat ja täna siis vaatame, mis need 20 parimat suudavad. Aga lähme natuke ajas tagasi. Ajas polegi nagu väga tagasi minna, sest mina ei ole oma elus ühelgi drifti üritusel käinud. Laitses paar korda olen nagu näinud, kuidas seal trenni tehakse, aga see ei ole päris see, ma arvan, mis täna siin olema saab, et juba etteruttavalt võib Raikole masinavärgist. Raiko Ausmees andis siis meile võimaluse tulla seda asja siin natuke teile siis lähemale tooma oma vaateväljast, oma jutu läbi ja võib-olla siis Sander näitab teile natuke siin rajal, mida need asjad endast kujutavad ka ja vaatame, mis päev toob.
Veel kord ütlen välja, top 4 puhul tulemusi me ei avalikusta enne, kui kõik sõitjad on teinud oma viimase sõidu. Nii, 3-2-1. Mõnus ühtlane drift, et nüüd 11 vahel siis. Vaata, kui meisterlikult tuleb läbitad Oskar. See on nüüd teil tegelikult annab miinuspunkte.
Ja Red Bull Car Park Drift Estonia võitja on Auvaida! Rahvale ka! Ebareaalne oli siis mehe enda lause, kui pärast kolmandas hiidi autost välja tuli. Nii et igati ära teenitud.
Olemegi päevaga lõpule jõudnud, et emotsioonid on võib-olla natuke vähem emotsioonide rohkem olen hetkel kui Margus Kiiver, kes sai siis istuda ka drifti auto kõrval, mis juba vaadates tundus siuke, et jah, vähe võib kadedust tunda, aga ei, väga äge üritus. Pealtvaatajaid oli meeletult, piletid olid välja müüdud. Juba vist äkki eelmise päeva õhtuks oli piletid välja müüdud ja see, kuidas see rahvas ikka pidi piiluma teiste tagant kuskilt, et midagi näha, see näitab, et sellele asjale on huvi ja see suund on väga õige. Ja mis emotsioonid mina siis esmakogemusena täna siit sain, on kindlasti midagi sellist, mida nagu mida naljalt ei unusta ära, et eile oli küll 40 masinat, täna oli 20 masinat, siis 8 finaalis ja siis lõpuks top 4 finaalis, ja oli ka näha, et lõpuks see top 4 andis ennast nii tohutult rajal välja, et nad ikkagi leidsid tänu selle võib-olla suurele publiku hulgale ja sellele, et nad võit on nii lähedal, et seda ekstrat kuidagi kuskilt, tõesti nad kuskilt leidsid ja seda oli üpris uskumatu vaadata, et see auto küll ei võistelnud, aga väike show ikka teile siia lõppu, et ei tõesti, autod ise olid ilusad, oli erineva klassi pille, oli seal semi-pro, pro ja eks nad seal ju erinevus ka natuke tekib, aga just oligi näha, et kes siis on tõsiselt nagu taskus kõik välja võtnud, et täna siin võidu peale minna ja Vaida läks võidu peale, läheb Eestit esindama siis kuskile riiki, kus see toimub. Ma tõesti praegu jään vastuse võlgu, mis riigis see toimub, aga seal Araabia maadel kuskil ta oli. Ja vaatame, mis saab, et eestlased on kõva driftirahvas ja loodan, et äkki me ka siin kellegile saame natukene seda drifti õngu sisse tuua ja näeme juba kuskil mujal.
Look, it was me and Red Bull who came up with the idea of creating the Red Bull Car Park Drift back in 2008 in my home country in Lebanon. So originally I'm a rally driver. I do hill climbs, I do racing. So, but still my driving style is a little bit going sideways, especially on the Lebanese mountain stages. It's all tarmac, but it's tight hairpins where you need to have the handbrake just to go through it. So that was my driving style. And you know, being a Red Bull athlete, I got the opportunity to explore, I mean, some kind of options that we have, something just to come up with, and we came up with the Red Bull Car Park Drift. So we've been organizing the Red Bull Car Park Drift internationally since 2010, but mostly it was concentrated in our region in the Middle East. You know, between Saudi Arabia, between Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, Jordan, Lebanon, all these countries. But still, in 2014, 2015, we started going globally, and it's at the end of the day, it's the Red Bull, the local Red Bull, I mean, who asks us to organize the CPD, and this is what happened with Estonia. I had the chance to come 2 years earlier in 2022, where we organized the first ever Red Bull Car Park Drift here, but it was in a special track, like 1 hour and a half far away from Tallinn. So now we were lucky, I mean, to organize the second edition, and as you've seen, man, it's just amazing with the CPD. It's like a playground, as I was telling you before. It's like a playground, and then all the spectators sitting around it and watching a great show. This is how we came up with with the name of Red Bull Car Park Drift. The cool thing is that you can find a car park anywhere. Instead of getting all the people and sending them to a track, no, we can just come to you and we can organize the event. And you also saw that it doesn't matter if you have a car with pro drifting class, which has like 1,000 horsepower, or a decent car that can drift with, like, let's say 300 horsepower. You can even compete and you can even try it and win it. So we saw today the action was really amazing. The 20 drifters, all of them, they deserve to win, honestly. But at the end of the day, we have only one winner, and congratulations to him. He's gonna represent, Estonia the best way possible in Oman, first week of December for the Red Bull Car Park Drift World Final.
But yeah, I saw like I remember some BMWs, definitely like semi-pro or somehow, but they like pushed more even that maybe these first position guys. So it was nice to see that everyone has a chance with different cars and different skills.
Yeah, it's because single car drift. You know, when you do tandem drifting, if you have a car slightly better than my car, I won't be able to compete with you. So because it's single car drift for Red Bull Car Park Drift, so that makes it even for everyone. And this is what we're pushing for, because I mean, not everyone can afford to have a pro drifting car, which costs like 150,000 euros. So this is the beauty of the CPD.
What country will be next where you haven't been, with that car?
But honestly, we've done almost like 6 or 7. Yeah, this is our 7th qualifier for this year, and we still have around 8 to organize. But I mean, nothing new. It's the same countries that we've been visiting earlier. So in 2 weeks' time, I will be in Georgia. After that, we'll be visiting the Middle East again. But hopefully for next year, we're having some new countries in Europe, starting with Cyprus, Greece, also Lithuania might come back. So it's looking exciting, honestly. And imagine, I mean, at the end of the day, when you combine all these, champions in one place and let them compete and select who's the best winner for the Red Bull Car Park Drift World Final, that would be really awesome.
That's really cool. Like even the participation price is not that high.
Definitely.
So you have the car, you have the skills, you have the power. Just come
definitely.
And,
this is what we've been doing. I mean, especially in our region, we've been graduating, if you want, amateurs, making them champions. I mean, most of the pro drifters that compete in the Middle East, they were all graduated from the Red Bull Car Park Drift. So they made the name, they got sponsors, and that's how they moved and still they are still competing in the CPD at the same time. But I mean, the level of exposure that you get, it's really awesome. And hopefully with the winner here of this year's Red Bull Car Park Drift in Estonia, I hope that he can really do well in the CPD World Final.
Cool. Maybe one more question. Rally, hill climb, or drifting? Can you choose one?
Honestly, yes, I can easily choose one. It's rally. Drifting is fun, but the longest run of drifting lasts for maybe 1 minute. Hill climb is fun with so powerful cars, but the longest run in hill climb lasts for, let's say, 2.5 minutes. But while in stages, in rally stage, man, the least stage you have is like 7-8 minutes, and it goes up to 25 minutes. That's where sometimes I forget to breathe, honestly, to breathe. I mean, just, concentrating, going flat out for almost 20 minutes That's the excitement that I love. So drifting is fun. Whenever I'm traveling, it's my passion. At the end of the day, I'm enjoying it a lot. But if I have to choose, definitely it's rallying.
Really cool was talking with you, and I definitely learned something today.
Thank you,
and
man.
I definitely gonna watch drift more, and we try to crowd it more.
Hopefully.
We started from with Formula One fan base.
Okay.
So maybe we can turn them drift fans
Yeah,
or
why
rally
not?
fans.
Why not?
So-
You should combine everything related to motorsport.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
definitely. So hopefully next time we're gonna see you, and you never know, you might get a chance to sit next to me and do some drifting together.
Yeah,
Cool.
we'll see.
Thank you. Thank you.
you.
Thank you, man.